This is where a private jet begins. Inside a modern aerospace facility, every detail starts with design, precision, and engineering. Before metal is cut or parts are assembled, the aircraft is built digitally. Engineers shape the wings, refine the fuselage, test airflow, and map every system that will later bring the jet to life. Once the design is finalized, raw materials enter production. Aerospace-grade aluminum, titanium, and advanced composites are received, scanned, and prepared. Large metal sheets are cut with precision. Structural parts are machined. Composite materials are molded and cured. Every piece is measured carefully before moving forward. Then the aircraft structure begins to take shape. Panels are bent into curved fuselage sections. Ribs, frames, and stringers form the internal skeleton. Wing structures are assembled with exact alignment. Tail components are built separately, each one shaped for strength and aerodynamic performance. Next comes airframe assembly. The fuselage sections are joined into one continuous body. Wings are attached with heavy structural connections. The tail is installed. For the first time, the aircraft stands as a complete airframe, clearly recognizable as a private jet. After that, the internal systems are installed. Electrical wiring is routed throughout the structure. Hydraulic lines, fuel lines, and environmental ducts are fitted into place.
Hold it steady up there. I'm almost done with this section.
Got it. Ready when you are.
Okay, hand me the tape from your belt. Here you go. Looks solid.
In the cockpit, avionics, displays, and flight controls are installed and connected. Deep inside the aircraft, every system is organized with extreme precision. Then the landing gear is added. Heavy gear assemblies are lifted into position and secured. Once installed, the aircraft can stand on its own wheels for the first time, marking a major step toward completion.
Confirmed. No shorts. Let's verify the feedback loop.
Good. Diagram matches. We can secure this harness.
Copy that. Check the upper strut alignment. Alignment looks good. Securing the wheel now. Copy. Any play in the hydraulics? Negative. All tight. Ready for the next one. This fitting is tight. Check the pressure. Holding steady. Go for it. Okay. Copy that. Looks good. Copy that.
Now the engines are mounted. The turbofan engines are lifted carefully into place and connected to fuel, electrical, and control systems. Engine nacelles are installed around them, giving the aircraft its sleek final profile.
Check the wiring harness specs on the tablet.
Got it. Starting torque on the main fitting now. Torque is set. How's the harness?
Looks stable. Let's do a continuity test.
Running test now? Okay, inserting the probe now.
Roger that. I'm steadying the cowl. Watch for any FA in the bypass.
Clear. Retracting now.
Good probe. Let's log it. All clear. Moving on.
With the structure complete, attention turns to the cabin. The floor is fitted first. Sidewalls and ceiling panels follow. Luxury seats, cabinetry, galley units, and lavatory modules are installed with exact placement. Soft lighting activates across the interior, transforming the aircraft into an elegant executive cabin.
Aligning the seat now, ensuring a perfect fit. Locking mechanism engaged, checking stability. Seat is secure. Looks good.
Then comes the exterior finish. The jet is cleaned, sanded, masked, primed, and painted inside a controlled hangar. Layer by layer, the final finish is applied until the aircraft emerges glossy, polished, and complete. But appearance is only part of the process. Inside the testing hangar, the aircraft is powered on. Avionics light up. Control surfaces move. Systems are checked. Engines are started and tested. The jet rolls under its own power for taxi trials before moving to the runway. Then comes the most important moment. The engines power up, the aircraft accelerates, and for the first time, the private jet lifts into the sky. After flight testing, it returns for final inspection. Every system is reviewed, the cabin is cleaned, protective coverings are removed, the aircraft is prepared for presentation. At last, the finished private jet stands complete. From digital design to final flight, every stage is built on precision, discipline, and advanced engineering. What began as raw material and data has become a modern aircraft, ready for speed, comfort, and flight. This is how a private jet is manufactured, from start to finish.
This is incredible. A symbol of everything we've achieved. Absolutely. It belongs in the cabin.